To get real peace of mind, be a good friend of nature. Be a close friend of nature. Nature is your best friend. Establish friendship with the nature. Try to communicate with the nature. The secrets of nature can be revealed only after establishing relationship with the nature. Do not hesitate. Do not refrain. Try to listen. The eternal song of Mother Earth. The nature has its own voice, its own language. You can learn this language only after establishing a bond of relationship with the nature. Don't say, I could not hear anything. Choose a silent place amidst the beauty of nature. Go there alone. Close your eyes. Forget all those calls coming from your mind. Control the thoughts. Don't allow them to jump into your mind. Your mind is like a fountain. So many thoughts jump there at a time. Try to become thoughtless. No thought about any person. No thought about any past incidents. Try to shake hand with the nature. Don't allow anybody to dabble in between you. Only two, you and the nature. When you distract your mind from all worldly thoughts, then only you can hear the voice of nature. Then only you can understand the language of nature. Sit on a bank of a river. Watch the flowing water. The flowing water represents joy. It is flowing joyfully. It is not flowing for anybody. It's flowing for its own joy. It tells you, don't live for others. Live for yourself. Live from the bottom of your heart. Live for your own joy. If you are happy, then you can make other people happy. If you can live for yourself, then only you can live for others. You can distribute only those things which you possess. You cannot distribute which you do not possess. If you are joyful, then only you can distribute joy. Be joyful like a flow of a river. Try to listen the sound of a river. The birds are chirping. Listen to the eternal song of the birds. The flowers are dancing on a wave of a wind. Dance with them. Forget the world. Forget who you are. Forget your entire identity. Forgetting who you are is not easily possible. It's painstaking business. Your entire activities are controlled by the fact who you are, who you are. Your ego. You means the consciousness of your ego. The awareness about your very existence. To forget who you are means forgetting your very existence, forgetting your ego. Try to be egoless. Your ego is the greatest wall between you and your peace of mind. To establish relationship with the nature, you have to forget your ego. Your ego works as a thick curtain between you and the peace of your mind. You cannot see clearly through this curtain. The view becomes obscure due to curtain of your ego. Torn it into pieces so you can have better access towards the peace of mind. It's raining outside, the smell of the soil enchanting your mind. It's calling you out to enjoy the rain. But your ego don't allow you to go in rain and get wet. It constantly asks you what other people will say, what they will think about you. Are you mad? You are not child to go in rain, to dance with rain and get wet. What about your position? You are an officer. You are a doctor. It doesn't suit to your position. Don't go outside. Most of the time, you listen the voice of your ego, and that's why you can't listen the eternal song of the nature. Turn deaf ear towards the voice of your ego. Forget who you are. Then only you can get in touch with the nature and can get the real peace of mind. Everyone get the chance to make his life a beautiful portrait. But it is dark color of the ego which spoil all the portrait. Keep this dark color away from you. It is spoiling your life. It is the main hindrance between you and the peace of your mind. Relations are built on the basis of love. Love is the base of all relations. Love the nature. Come out of your house. Come in an open space. Come in a garden. Walk along with the roads. See the greenery of the grass. Watch the colors of different flowers. Try to find out the different shades of their color. You can find the flowers of different shades on a single branch also. Nature is versatile. Nature is creative. It has not given a single color to all flowers. It has given different colors. Nature exists through its creativity. It expects creativity from you also. To establish relationship with nature, be creative. They who are creating something new are nearer to the nature. A potter, a farmer, a painter, a poet, they all are close to the nature. Their closeness to nature make them more creative. Creativity gives us peace of mind. Common people concentrate on what have been created, but creative people concentrate on what can be created. Do not discuss about the people. Do not discuss about the incidences. Discuss about your ideas. Listen the ideas of others also. Your ideas are your dreams. Make your dream to realize. Only creative mind can realize your dreams. Get in touch with nature to make your mind more creative. Your friendship with nature will realize your all dreams and you will get more peace of mind. Our sun is a major stakeholder in the nature. It gives energy to all of us. Without sun, we are nothing. At first, the sun came into existence. Then only earth can come into existence. And after that, we could come into existence. We exist because the sun exists. All our energy, we are getting it from the sun. Sun is our greatest and best friend. Watch a sunrise in the morning. Wake up early to go to some hill or climb at your building. Wait for a sunrise. Watch the changing colors of the sky. Feel the presence of the first ray of the sun. The sun is a great source of inspiration. Try to get inspiration from the sun. The sun teaches us how to conquer the darkness. The sun fights with the darkness relentlessly. After every sunset, darkness spreads its ugly tentacles, but the sun never gives up its fight. It opens a new front every day against the darkness. The sun tells us never, never, never give up. Keep on fighting. The sun never asks for the light to any lamp. It has its own light. It asks you to illuminate also. It expects you to have your own light. They who have heard the voice of nature, they have told the universe, be the lamp yourself, atta deepa bhava. The sun always keeps moving. It's moving in the universe. It's moving in the galaxy. Sun never stops. Learn from the sun. Keep your journey on. They who are stopped, they are finished. The sun is a fireball. It's burning from within. It's burning for the well-being of the nature, for the well-being of the universe. The sun never reveals its burn signs to anybody. It never grumbles about its work. It never talks about its pain. Alanis Morissette says, "When pain brings you down, don't be silly. Don't close your eyes and cry. You just might be in the best position to see the sunshine." Never complain about your pains. Never your pains become adorable if they are for the joy of you and others. A flower blossoms, whatever the condition might be. It does not care about adversities. Do not complain about adversities. Keep on fighting in any situation. Fight with the darkness you come across in your life. Your victory over darkness will give you the peace of mind. From the book written by Shri Rajesh Khawale, contact number 98503 45176.